Hi there, welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we're happy to present this 2018 Ram 3500 HiRoof 159-inch wheelbase with 29,800 local kilometers. What a great way to save thousands off a brand new one. If you've got a small business, or maybe you're even looking to camperize a 3500 Promaster, you know what? You don't have to look any further. This Ram 3500 has a 3.6 liter V6, so you're going to get fuel economy. You've also got the bucket seat that sits up to 3 people up front. This 2018 Ram 3500 Promaster is equipped with power windows, power locks, AC, tilt steering, and cruise control. And you know what? There's a cool feature: power folding mirrors. This 2018 Ram 3500 Promaster HiRoof has Uconnect hands-free, so you can make calls and receive calls without ever touching your phone. This 3500 Promaster has a backup camera and park sensors, so if you're getting close to something, as you can hear, it'll tell you what's going on. Rear folding barn doors give you easy access. And of course, that high roof, even somebody that's tall can stand up in here. And somebody's gonna put a shelf in here. Hey, that's convenient. You've got a manual right side sliding door. And as you can see, you also have a ton of room. This will serve your small business, your company. It'll get everything done all in one load. This 2018 Ram 3500 Promaster HiRoof also has the solid rear metal partition. This 2018 Ram 3500 Promaster HiRoof is a local vehicle with no accidents. It also has an extended factory warranty, which covers you bumper to bumper up to 200,000 kilometers. It's about a $4,000 option when it was bought brand new. It's transferable into your name at no charge. So if it's raining like today, no worries. We'll take whatever vehicle you're looking at, like this 2018 Ram 3500 Promaster. We'll take the vehicle, we'll back it inside our indoor heated showroom. You can relax, have a coffee, and look at it under the convenience of our indoor showroom light. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we offer low rate financing with extended terms. Plus we also assist people with BRUISED credit, which means we'll get you driving a newer vehicle like this Promaster 3500 at a lower rate, while the whole time you'll be rebuilding your credit. We're located on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. If you've never been to the Coombs Country Junction, all you got to do is look for the Miracle Truck and Car Company sign. This is our outdoor display. All you got to do is go straight down. On the right hand side, you'll see the garage door. Go in our 2,000 square foot indoor showroom. We believe you'll enjoy the process here. You get to deal with one or both of the owners. We'll appraise your trade. We'll give you a difference. We'll get you approved in a payment. No pressure, no hassle. You'll find that only here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video.